Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Calicut University Hall ticket. First, you need to understand that all Calicut University Hall tickets are accessed digitally. It is essential to have your unique registration number and your correct date of birth ready, as these are your login credentials. A stable internet connection is also crucial to avoid any interruptions during the download process, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. Once you are on the Calicut University official website, carefully navigate to the examination section. Within this area, you will find a distinct link specifically for hall ticket download. Click on this link to proceed to the login page. Please take a moment to confirm that the website address in your browser is indeed the official university domain before you enter any personal details for security reasons. On the hall ticket download page, accurately input your registration number and your date of birth into the required fields. After the hall ticket loads, it is very important to thoroughly check all the details presented, including your name, photograph, subject codes, and examination center. Once you are certain everything is correct, save the hall ticket to your computer or phone as a PDF document for safekeeping, ensuring you have a digital copy. It is highly recommended that you print at least 2 physical copies of your hall ticket, just in case one gets misplaced or damaged. On the day of your examination, always bring a valid government-issued photo identification along with your printed hall ticket. Both are mandatory for entry. Furthermore, please plan to arrive at the examination venue at least 30 minutes before the scheduled start time to allow for all necessary formalities and to find your seat calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.